I'm about to make snowballs. They are amazing cookies. They're a lot like a pecan sandie, and they're beautiful and they're delicious. So start with 2 sticks of softened butter, and you beat that until it's floating. That won't take long when the butter's soft. Once it's beaten, you're gonna add about half of the flour, just eyeball that, and then 1/3 cup sugar. So not a lot of sugar, granulated sugar, in the body of this recipe. 1 teaspoon vanilla, and then 1 tablespoon either water or a liqueur. I'm using Kahlua. You could use Grand Marnier. That just adds a little extra flavor. And then you're going to beat that. Maybe go a little carefully at the beginning with the flour so you don't have to go poofing up everywhere. And beat until that's incorporated. And then you're gonna add the remaining flour and give it a little light stir and work that in. The last ingredient, 3/4 cup chopped pecans. This dough is very dry. There are no eggs, no leaveners in it, and very little liquid. And then you're gonna incorporate this, it will come together nicely, and then we're gonna form it into balls and bake them. So now I'm rolling these into balls. I use about 1.5 tablespoons per ball. A small ice cream scoop is helpful to portion the dough out evenly, and they can be close together on the baking sheet because they don't spread much. So once you get all of the balls, you're going to bake them at 325, so a slightly lower oven temperature, for about 20 minutes or until they're lightly golden on the bottom. Now it's time to add the snow. I put 3/4 cup of powdered confectioner sugar in a paper bag. You could use a Ziploc bag. And then I take about 3 at a time, carefully put them in the bag, and then shake it around a little bit. And you have these beautifully coated cookies that have just a delightful buttery texture inside and a light sugar coating on the outside. They taste great and they look beautiful on cookie platter.